Tensions erupted in Lapangap village on Tuesday after members of the Karbi community reportedly carried out unauthorized tree plantations in an area that falls under the jurisdiction of Meghalaya. Local residents along with authorities from Lapangap responded by uprooting the saplings and dismantling plant beds established by the Karbis. Temporary huts constructed at the site were also demolished by the villagers. Sources revealed that personnel from the Assam police later arrived at the location and allegedly used tear gas to disperse the crowd gathered from Lapangap, leading to further unrest. The situation drew swift reaction from several pressure groups, with representatives from the Khasi Students' Union, the Jaintia Students' Union, the Nyotrap Awakening National Movement, and the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people rushing to the site in response. Meghalaya police subsequently reached the area to assess the situation and ensured law and order. Villagers from Lapangap have maintained that the disputed area lies within their traditional boundary and holds deep cultural, religious and agricultural significance, having been used for farming and livestock rearing for generations. Meanwhile, Cabinet Minister and spokesperson for the MDA 2.0 government, Paul Lyngdoh, stated that he was yet to receive complete information regarding the incident. He added that he would consult the concerned authorities to verify whether Lapangap village is listed among the areas of differences in the Meghalaya-Assam boundary dispute, and that the matter would be taken up at the Home Minister's level for appropriate action.
Lala. Pipi.
Most of the facts are not known to me at this point of time because I was in a series of meetings. But I can share with you that the Meghalaya police has also stepped into the picture. We will intervene, ensure the safety and security of the residents of the affected areas. And I will also be meeting the Deputy CM in charge home to get further details and updates.
Lapangap is included in the disputed area discussion. Is it there in the discussion table?
There was a meeting taken by Deputy CM, Mr. Dhar, a couple of weeks back. So you will get details from him.
Otherwise, this is an area of difference?
I do not have that information very easily. I will not know specifically the names of them because this involves a cluster of villages. So whether this particular village falls under area of difference or not, I don't know.
Will you be suggesting a joint inspection by the concerned?
Since the Deputy CM in charge transport is also the chairman of the regional committee for West Jaintia Hills, he will be the best person to respond to your queries.
But don't you think like Meghalaya government at least should register a protest with Assam for this incident because they started this entire thing?
Absolutely. We will, because if you recall the meeting we had at the CM's level was very cordial, and as a follow-up to that, the Deputy CM who represents the West Jaintia Hills sector of the disputed areas had also gone to the to meet his counterpart, the chairman of the regional committee from Assam. So I suggest that you also follow the matter up with him as chairman of the regional committee.
As we understand, I think this issue will not be resolved till the next elections in Assam.
That anybody can surmise one way or the other. But we will see full details from both the deputy CMs, one who is in charge of home and the other who is the chairman of the regional committee for West Jaintia Hills.
It again indicates that the border talks should be expedited. The second part.
As you are aware, as many as 5 villages have now been covered under what we call resolved areas where differences have been resolved. And the announcement, formal announcement will be made on Independence Day, meaning August 15, 2025. So before we reach August 15, we will maximize attempts to resolve this particular sector as well. Yeah.
Kum di produk perasnam kum kerja. Try di Jaka juga try muluk. Try mentah pada kilawan pentur syaradu sing ngi Jaka. Maka benta ban kap try ngi Jaka. Try nak kalian jungi ngilawan bertemi dak kabor. Rangkat gini try sinong ngila jenrat gini gi cingtung jiktep ngila jenrat gini gi iyeng gisan gi bagi sinabe ai. Ada kecukup por. Kadon ru kajing yalle menne mestep ahaswa bangin poeng naik gila siap bagi tergas try nak kalian jungi iklam kan randing. Abang Iwan nang ne ban ya khun dalai ingin nom kendan din hadu bangin yo nak gijok ai bang ingin kelon yap ang ne ai bekas nam kan plain rai kajaka kebuta kadai bangsa kendau ke siap kadai bangsa kim trai muluk nak kalian kesu ka pha ka ruak ka besai ya ka sarkar na kam laban penbaj ya kena kejing ya kena ang ne yo ajia ba kuai ka singi kan poi kejing ya kena shadow put bangiro kum kajai benreu ngiram shop clicking inam ino pangin lek lah kajong kamram nak benta kamsikan kari bar kajai benre ko jomi nak kalian kesyo dak ruak ka besai dalai ingin nom ibanya ki produk perasman jomi niwan nang ne na benta bania challenge bania penibur handrai ba nak kalian ki pulit asam kita ki kaput ki siap ki kuli ki siap ki tergas man penting ngi handrai nak kalian jomi ni nam teng ai bangin kelan ai bekas nang ben play madan kamsim yale kanam du wala kam jungi kan yam mereka mesem jungi kan em nama taman dia le nama tak ribet kecai berriu ke jemaah
ani gini nong jangan pengap tengi ro de kumba kren presiden ke sungi da support ki nang bar bataga bila i bank juga untuk pot jong asam gi konten kita ngi tak ke mesti sudah jaga sorka asam bakim dei bang untuk pot ni ne bak ngi jo ki tentu jaga sorka jong i bang penbaik loy no